STMA 40-ton heavy-duty diesel forklift. Load capacity is 40,000 kilograms. Fully enclosed instrument platform enlarge the working space with Chinese Weichai or Cummins engine. LED work lights and warning lights make it safer and more efficient, even in poor lighting conditions. Install optional 3-way catalytic device to lower the harmful emission beside of low-emission engines. Adopt soundproof cotton to ease noise and high exhaust system as option to reduce dust. Have 3,600 millimeter 2-stage lifting height and side shifter and fork positioner. The quality is more reliable and the power is stronger.